After years of carrying bad credit card debt, in this video, I'm gonna be paying off all of them. Your boy is debt free. I'm debt free. Woo! In this video, I'll show you how I got here, what I did wrong in the past, what had actually worked, and how you can do it too if you're in the same boat. Skip forward to this time frame in the video if you want to see me pay off all my debt right away. But first, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a backstory for context. I was roughly 19 to 20-year-old, probably during my early 20th year of my life. And that was when I started to create and craft my 6 credit card debts. I was honestly just a young child, a young boy who felt invincible every time he touched his credit card. Because, well, I was young, and then I thought to myself, my thought process at the time, it was, I know I'll eventually get rich. So I might as well just spend now because I deserve it. I'm gonna get rich anyway. I'll just pay it off. Boom. Easy plan. Easy. It was not easy. I have not become rich yet.
Are you sure about that?
But that's what I did. I was a stupid young kid. And so I did that. I spent and I spent every single day. I spent mostly on my credit cards and not my debit card because I thought, credit card is not my money. So I'll just pay it off later, you know. But my money and my debit card, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Hell no. And I just kept doing that. And eventually it just got to a point where my credit card balance was higher than my debit card balance. You never ever want that. I would spend on unnecessary things such as Amazon, eating out, more going out, even more going out, gas, etc., etc. Nothing too crazy, but it all added up. And it was even quicker because at the time I had no job because I felt invincible. At the time, my mindset was just so dumb. I was thinking like, I'm just gonna start some online business. I'm gonna get rich, so I don't need no job. You know, that's below me. I'm gonna end up rich either way, so f it. And my finances, I did. Every single day. And eventually, during my early to mid 20th year of my life, I had opened up more credit cards and I had maxed out all of them. And now I am in a total of 7.k worth of credit card debt. And this was when the daily stress and anxiety of having unpayable credit card debt had really kicked in for me. Every morning that I would wake up, I would get a brief moment of bliss, and then 2 seconds later, I would remind myself saying, oh yeah, I'm in 8k worth of debt. I don't deserve to have a good day. Never mind, go back to sleep. And so the rest of the day would be down because your boy got a negative total balance. And at this point, I had finally found a reason to get a job ASAP because I don't want to keep paying the minimum payment, aka $200 to $300 every single month to the APR, the stupid ass APR. Those minimum payments made me realize that I truly need to change. I cannot continue doing this. Otherwise, it would get really, really bad. And so change I did. When I was unemployed, I spent day and night applying to jobs on Indeed, the company website, shady Asian websites, etc., etc. Any website you could get your hands on, I was on there for jobs. And eventually, your boy got hired at Bloomingdale's for a seasonal job, which was it kind of sucked. And now I'm working at Popeyes. And ever since I got a job, I have been saving my ass off every single damn day. And so here comes my financial plan. My plan was simple. The past 6 to 8 months, mostly all I did was just save my money, budget every single week, and cut back strictly on all of my expenses. I became extremely frugal and on every single aspect of my life. I started to only thrift clothes for my work when I need the clothes. Otherwise, I don't buy no clothes. But that was the thing. I only saved, even when I still had credit card balances that I could have paid off, even when I knew it was kind of hurting my credit score. But I didn't really care because the long-term effects wouldn't be long-term. And also because I have a reason. Mathematically, I knew that I should have just paid off the highest interest rate credit card and then just work my way down eventually until everything's paid off so that I don't have to keep paying the minimum payment towards interest rates and whatever every single damn month. But I didn't care. Instead, I just saved. Why, you may ask? Well, that is because I wanted to make make this video. For the longest time, I just wanted to make one satisfying video where I just pay off all of my debt in one go. And without further ado, let's now pay off all of my debt together. And so I currently have around 6K in my US bank account. Earlier, I had exactly 7.7K in my US bank account, but I transferred like 1.8K to my Wells Fargo account because that is how much my credit card balance is on there. Okay, now let's first start off with my first ever credit card, Discover. Currently, there's a 1.2K balance in my Discover card. Let's pay that off. Next payment, nah, we're paying the whole thing right now. Current balance, okay. Payment source, US checking, payment date today, paying it today. We're done with this. Confirm, blah, 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 blah. I don't want to read that. I'm done. One card out of the way. Done. Wells Fargo. Next up, 1.877 plus 62 cents. That's about to be exterminated. Make payment. Yeah, boy, this is done. Okay, from my Wells Fargo checking account, exactly enough amount of money. Okay, outstanding balance. Done. Continue. Submit. Boom. And now it's time for the next one, Capital One. This one is a small one, you know, it's a small QT sweetie pie, but it's gotta go. It's gotta go. Make a payment anyway. Wait, it says past due. I got my account on auto pay. What? Anyways, I'm gonna just pay off the whole thing right now. You know, never have to worry about this. Current balance. Okay. Done deal. US checking. Choose this account. Select date. Today. I'm done with this. Done. Submit payment. Boom. I have 6 credit cards in total, and I have officially just paid off 3 of my credit cards. That's halfway done. The rest are gonna be on Chase. Chase is my favorite bank, and that is also the reason why I have 3 credit cards on here, okay? But let's not worry about that. Let's not talk about that. Let's just pay off all of them right now. I'm gonna save that big boy for last, but I'm gonna take care of these 2 first, okay? $411, okay? Current balance. Boom, boomity boom boom, done. Nope, too broke on that account. First Chase card, my Amazon card. It was a stupid idea to open this card, but whatever. Now it's done deal. No more. I'm never gonna see this card again. Current balance, US checking, schedule payment today. Boom, pay it. Done. Okay, next one. This is fun, guys. Being financially responsible is awesome. There you go, freedom flex. It took away my freedom, but now I'm gonna take my freedom back. You know, it's not really a freedom flex when you're in debt with this card, but that's okay. And I'm no longer in debt. So now this card actually means something. The name actually means something, you know? Okay, pay from, current balance, boom, schedule payment, pay it. Yes, hell yeah. Now it's finally time for the big boy, the big dog. 3.5K and $32.07. That is about to be exterminated from the face of this planet. No more will I have to deal with this card because I'm paying it. I'm paying it off right now. Wrong card again. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Okay, 3.5K, current balance. You going, bro. Going. Schedule payment. Whew. Pay it. Boom. Done. Everything done. Okay. I have officially scheduled all of my payments on all 6 of my credit cards. And now I am officially going to be debt free after everything goes through. It's a little bit anticlimactic, but whatever. What matters is that it's scheduled. It's done deal. I can't unschedule it. So I am officially debt free. I'm about to look broke on my checking account, but your boy is debt free. I'm debt free. Woo! It's awesome. It's an awesome feeling. I've been in debt for the past year, maybe even more longer. And finally, I don't owe the bank anything anymore. That interest rate can eat my ass because I'm done. Wait, that interest rate can no longer eat my ass because your boy is free. I'm free. I'm free from that hellish 25% to 30% APR. Woo! It is now the next day, and I just wanted to record an extra video because I think it's more satisfying if I show you the actual zero on my credit card balance. But first off, I am now broke on my debit card, aka my savings. But that is okay. It stings a little bit, but I know that this is the right thing to do, but it does sting to see that 7.8K going to $85 in one day. It feels like I spent all that money, but which is something that people in credit card debt need to get used to. But yeah, let me show you all of the credit card balances. Starting with Discover. 0. No payment due. Last payment, 1.2K. Done. Wells Fargo. 0. 0. Rewards, $2. Your boy is rich. Capital One. Checking account, $74. Credit card, 0. Benefits, $4. Chase, $89 in my checking. I know. Oh, you guys don't need to. You guys don't have to. Oh my God. I know I'm rich, okay? You don't have to. Freedom Unlimited, $0. Freedom Flex, 0. 0, 0, 0. Everything 0. Done. Let's check out my credit score. That's the main thing that I'm really excited about, my credit score going up, because I just paid off every single thing and it's been holding my credit score down for the longest time. And I'm so excited for my credit score to just all the way up. That's gonna be awesome to see. But yeah, here's the history. Before I pay off my debt, I think it was at 610 or something. Oh, and if you need proof that this is actually all of my credit card and I don't have some hidden credit card hidden in the background, like I'm in secret debt still. Let me show you. Credit report. Here you are. 6 open accounts. Capital One, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Discover. Only 6. And those 6 are all taken care of. And here's some extra proof. On my US Bank, Discover credit card, Chase credit card, Capital One credit card, Wells Fargo. And on Wells Fargo, I Zelled myself on Wells Fargo so that I can pay it on Wells Fargo because Wells Fargo was taking forever to accept the external bank account. And so I just Zelled myself. Here's proof of that I paid for it. Online transfer to Wells Fargo Active Cash Visa card, 1.8K. Boom. 6 months ago, I was in a deep, dark hole. I would have never believed that I would be out of debt today. I thought that it would take at least maybe 1 or 2 more years, but nah, we out, we done. And I honestly have never felt this kind of relief in a long time. Not owing anybody, not owing any banks, stupid ass banks at this present moment. That is an amazing feeling. I finally feel like an adult with some momentum and some financial awareness for once in my life. I feel like I can finally move forward financially and actually make positive progress towards building my long-term wealth. And I just wanted to say thank you for sticking through my dark debt days. Your support truly mattered a lot to me. Thank you. And most importantly, I just want to say thank you to my biggest supporter through it all. I could not have gone through this without her support. And that amazing person is no other than my girlfriend. Now that your boy is finally debt-free, it's time for me to go into the next financial step. Right now, I'm going to start to build my emergency fund so that I can start investing ASAP, because I really want my money to finally work for me so that I can never ever miss out on the opportunity cost of not investing ever again. Last night, I just made a Roth IRA account on Fidelity, and I'm gonna start contributing to that as soon as possible, right after I get my emergency fund built up. And if you want to continue following my financial journey, hit subscribe. I'm gonna be sharing exactly how I'm gonna start investing, starting from zero, literally zero. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to leave a comment down in the comment section down below. How much more debt do you personally have? Let's help each other out in the comments down below so that we can all get out of debt together. And yeah, thank you again for your support and thank you for watching. That's about it. Bye.